G'day guys, my name is Aaron. I am the founder of UAVISUALS, Australia's preferred drone services company, and do I have some exciting news for you. We have worked really hard over the last year to tackle a skill shortage and knowledge gap in the drone industry. Whilst there's plenty of people out there with drone licenses, not many have the know-how and skills needed to carry out these jobs or field experience. We're really excited because we've created these drone courses as a solution for those wanting to get more experience, understand industry insights, get some tips and tricks and resources to perform their own jobs themselves. Our goal is to educate and empower aspiring drone professionals like yourselves to conduct operations across all industries. There is a huge opportunity out there and plenty of work and money to be made, but most importantly, you can do what you love every day. Whether it is to have a mobile business or hit the open road and travel for work, or even if you just love working with drones. The technology is already here at your fingertips. All you need is the skills and know-how. If you're ready to take that leap, today is the day to seize that opportunity. I personally took this risk 5 years ago flying drones for real estate work as a part-time hobby, and now I run my business full-time with employees, and I feel like I have the best job in the world. The ability to shoot for a variety of clients and industries, travel the world, meet new people, and most importantly, work for myself and do it my own way. I'd love to see you do the same, whether it is to start a hobby or take the leap yourself to start a business, or if you work for a company and you want to use drones as an extension of your services, then these courses are designed for you. Drone Masterclass Academy is an educational and resources hub for drone professionals across the world. We're designing these courses with other drone professionals in which you'll gain knowledge and insights into these industries which can be applied to most, if not all, clients around the world. Industries including real estate, inspections, surveying and mapping, construction, cinematography, and photography. By the end of this course, you'll hopefully be able to carry out a commercial job safely, shoot to your brief, edit and deliver high quality results at professional standards that will retain your clients, get more work, and then enable you to start charging a premium. Some of our current students already have been invoicing projects as much as $1,500 a day. Not bad if you ask me. Our first course, Real Estate Masterclass, is an intensive learning experience that is enjoyable and educational. We have operated, planned, edited, and delivered hundreds of flights across Australia and beyond, shooting mid to high-end properties, and we have condensed our years of experience and learning into this masterclass. Furthermore, when you sign up, you'll get a lifetime access to the course as we're constantly updating and adding to it. So you can refer back to it, pause, try it yourself in your own time as much as you want. You will also have access to a private Facebook group where you can share, ask, and learn from others around the world, and also a personal line to myself or my team. This course is broken down into 9 sections, and I'm going to take you through each of those sections so you have a full understanding of the course contents prior to purchasing. So after we introduce ourselves and get you set up, section 2, we talk about gear and drones. So we answer the big questions of what drone is best for real estate work. We discuss about accessories such as filters, iPads, sun hoods, hard cases versus soft cases, and more. We also advise you on the software we believe is best in our experience. This software will enable you to really get the most out of your photography and videos. For those starting a drone business and going out on your own, there are plenty of things to work on before you get started in drones. You need to make sure you have your foundation right first. We look at things like understanding competitors in your local area. We look out for what others are doing and how to perform a competitor analysis around you. Getting into a workflow and habit is super important in any line of work. We have also thrown in some free resources that will get things moving quicker, such as a workflow, file structures, pre-flight checklists, job profitability calculators, and much more. Then we move into the fun and technical stuff. Mastering drone photography and video, where we walk you through the app and camera settings for different scenarios and projects to really be able to get the most out of your drone. We discuss the types of shots for real estate and what agents are looking for, such as bomb shots, pole shots, point of interest, and VR 360, which is now getting super popular and highly sought after. It's one thing to be able to fly and shoot well, but how do you turn your footage into something that's not only usable, but also eye-catching? The answer is in post-production. This is where the magic happens. We take you through step-by-step in editing drone images and videos for a range of clients. We include information about shooting for standard residential homes, shopping centers, warehouses, and using Lightroom and Photoshop. We also throw in some neat tricks we've picked up along the way, such as how to de-warp and fix images that are not geometrically correct. We talk about how to turn your Mavic into a wide angle camera, adding boundary lines, annotations, and exporting your photos to the highest quality to deliver to your clients. The next big section, which is run by our creative director and senior editor, Paul, he takes you through transforming your drone footage into something really quite spectacular that will no doubt blow your clients away. You will learn the secret formula for creating stunning yet engaging videos every time by understanding scenes and shot types and where to put these clips in your timeline. It takes you through a comprehensive step-by-step editing tutorial and shows you how to add the wow factor in your videos by adding 3D animated text, callouts, and transitions. So if this hasn't sold you, then hopefully the next part will. We've also included a whole section of free downloads and resources that will usually cost you hundreds of dollars and days, if not weeks of your time, searching for that information out yourself. We throw in some DIY footage to try yourself at home. We make sure you look professional by adding in our safety sign design templates, Lightroom presets for color grading, Premiere Pro transitions, lines, fonts, and annotations for real estate, and so much more. And lastly, the final section is job shadows. Come along with us on a job, shadow our process from start to end, see how we shoot, flight plan, capture those angles and drone movements, edit and deliver to our clients from a range of projects. If you have a drone and you're serious about getting into this billion-dollar real estate industry, then this course is for you. Come join us and start leveling up your drone work now. See you guys in there.